Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is December the 13th, Wednesday morning, and you can see the market is gapping up today. Boy, very, very impressive move we've had over the last, oh gosh, month and a half, whatever it's been here. But anyway, we continue to motor higher, and we'll see what happens. But once again, I'm not looking to chase a lot of stocks. I'm looking for setups, and let's dive in. First on the list, and this stock that I actually bought yesterday around the 147 level is this AMZN, just because it just has an incredible potential here to have an explosive move, above that. What is it? It's been going sideways now for about 2 or 3 weeks there. So yeah, a break of that 1 month high there could be really explosive. So watch that AMZN. Financial on the list is this Ally, and a lot of financials been holding up well, and you can see here this has been trying to sell off, but been catching this 10-period moving average and just holding above it. So I am just going to slap a alert right here. It may go off pretty quick here. I'm not sure exactly where it's trading in pre-market, but I want to be notified if it does take out that 4-day high there. NEO is one on my radar, and what I like about it is it tried to break down below this 18 on several occasions, and now it has popped up back above these two moving averages, kind of converging here, the 10 and the 20. So you kind of got a double support there. But this needs to break above, at least this 1950 level. So we may have a ways to go in that one. RITM, I know I mentioned this earlier in the week, maybe or maybe last week, but still on my radar above this 1050, let's call it 1060 level. May have to be quick on something like that. Is setting up nicely. It's had a move and going sideways, and now you have the launching pad of the 10-period moving average that may send it through that area. That's it for today, guys. Have a great one. Keep it tight. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.